In this tutorial, we'll show you how to insert a new or existing recording into your video. To insert a new recording at the end of this video, click at the end of the timeline. Click Tools, Insert, New Recording. This opens the recorder. From here, you can create a recording to add to the end of your video. To add an existing recording to your video, click the area of the timeline where you want to add it. Click Tools, Insert, and then Existing Project. This opens a list of your projects. Click the one you want to insert. You'll see a blue bar on your timeline. Adjust the placement of the inserted recording by dragging this bar if needed. Click OK or press the Enter key to add the recording. After the recording is inserted, a blue span is displayed on your timeline where the inserted recording is located. Remove this insert at any time by clicking the span and selecting Remove. Capture, create, share with ScreenPal.